Daniel Goto and Kiera Lahana emerged as the standout performers at the TVJ, Daimpe and Woodcats International Coloured Ball Tennis Tournament at the Eric Bell Centre at the weekend. As Gerard Morrissey reports, the two will now receive an added reward of a one-week training opportunity at the Chow Academy in Miami.
Of the 26 boys competing across the 5 categories, Daniel Harter was the most successful, reaping wins in the 11 and under orange ball and 12 and under green ball competitions. Harter walked away with $30,000 in tennis tuition grants from sponsors Daimpe, along with trophies to remember the achievement. The Miguel Rose coach Harter found the going a little tough in the 12 and under category, but says his winning run in the orange ball was better.
Yeah, the U11 was easier because I had my advantage in my serve. I could just hit it very hard since the court is a lot smaller, and I could play very consistent and return a lot of the balls.
There was much satisfaction about the number of girls entering the tournament, with 29 of them representing what could be a bright future for the sport. Kyra Lahana was the most successful among them, taking home the top prizes in the 10 and under red ball, 11 and under orange ball, and finishing third in the 12 and under green ball.
I was really nervous, but my mom, she was telling me to calm down and just play it like you're at training. Don't treat it as a tournament.
55 of the island's youngest players competed in multiple categories over the 2 days. Gerard Morrissey for TVJ.